Hi friends, welcome to HOB Pin Code YouTube channel. Today we are in Mysore, the Mysore famous bakery, 1949 since now it is 75 years bakery we are introducing today. Watch my channel, don't skip it, watch it.
Habibullah Sharif. I am basically an engineer. I worked in 20 years in automotive axles. Then I had taken this business. This business actually started with my grandfather, then my father, then I am taking this business. It is the third generation we are running this business. So we have got some unique items, especially the non-veg puffs we make. For example, chicken puffs, mutton puffs, brain puffs, vegetable puffs, egg puffs, like that. All on the 7 to 6 varieties biscuits we make. For example, you can take the fast moving is almond biscuit, cashew biscuit. Then anjeer biscuit is there, milk biscuit is there, dry coconut biscuit is there, ragi biscuit is there, milk biscuit are there, badam salted biscuit is there, cashew salt biscuit is there. Then we have got some kolanji biscuit, that is called a black seed. That will all 90 that is putting for the only for the sugar patient. But kolanji is very good for the sugar patient. So we'll make that kolanji biscuit. Then Rex will make a special Rex almond Rex. That is also very good. Fast moving item those are. Then we'll make the special dilpasan. One is the dry fruit dilpasan. We'll all put dry fruit, badam, cashew, anjeer, everything we make. Coconut, dry coconut. We'll put the dry fruit dilpasan. Then kova dilpasan we make with kova inside. Stuffing is inside kova in the almond cashew we put. That is also a fast moving. That is also a good. The taste is there. Then we'll make almond cake. Almond cake. Then the milkmaid cake we will make it. That is also fast moving.
This is biscuits. We are showing the displays we are keeping is, and is keeping also in hot. It is also in keeping this in the front of the displays of these varieties of biscuits and varieties of puffs and varieties of delicious and cakes. And this is having it is one more cake. It is milk cake, very extraordinary, very delicious. And he is making his badam halwa also, and very tasty. And those you get soon, then will get it. That will be is the badam halwa is making the limited only, and milk cake also is limited only. There's a finish. You want to the next day, and so many varieties of biscuits we are showing this. This is the badam halwa, and extraordinary and very delicious, various. And in his bakery is variety of dilpasans and variety of, and is very tastefully and very, it is so many, it is going taking the bulkly and the family and the another cities, and it is going to shop dilpasan.
Dry fruit one, dry fruit biscuits, and this one is pepper salt, spicy one. This one is almond sweet. This one is almond sweet, and this one is almond salt. This one is almond salt. Hi guys, this one is special almond biscuit. This stuff made with the almond, maida, and cashew everything. And this recipe started from 1949. And Mysore, our own heritage bakery one. This one was our signature is this one, and that The other one, this one is dry fruit biscuit, and we have have 8 to 9 types of biscuits. You guys come visit. This one is almond salt, almond sweet, almond salt, and dry fruit. This one is cashew nuts, and this one is important one, ragi plus badam. In this we have sweet one and salt one also, and this one is pepper salt, and this one is a normal salt with butter to try with tea, coffee, milk, etc. And this one is stuff made with coconut, dry coconut one.
Friends, now is presented is the variety of the biscuits and very delicious and very tasty. This is rusk, almond rusk. In Hindi told is badam rusk, and very tasty and very delicious. You also try this when you come to Mysore. When you can find the relatives, you send it and buy this one, and very delicious biscuits. And so many varieties he is making from early morning. It is a finish around within 8:30, all biscuits, all varieties. It is a finishing. He is making what we need per day of the quantity, that is the making. Every day he is making the fresh and giving the customer. So from 75 years he is the maintaining this one, and this taste you cannot see and this anywhere. This taste will be giving. He is one and only bakery. This is almost and dry fruits and ragi with almonds. It's very excellent and very tastefully. His introduction of the almond rusk also, this is very tastefully. You also, once you try it, when it comes to Mysore, you must visit the shop, bakery. You rusk of the almond, in Hindi told in badam rusk, and you must try. Don't miss it. And you all varieties, you seen lot of variety of the biscuit. This is almond rusk, Hindi in badam rusk.
This one is dry fruit Dilpasan. Inside this stuff will prepare of first quality coconut, and everything dry fruit we will prepare this one. Almond, cashew, everything. Walnut beaches, walnut, etc. One, only coconut. This stuff made of only coconut and cherry. This one is Khova Dilpasan. Only this stuff prepared with khova and almond and cashews.
Wow! Wow! Amazing! Amazing!
Varieties of Dilpasan, you also taste it when you come to Mysore in India. Don't miss it. Try it once. Special edition 1949 to 2024 year also, there is same recipe of the styles in 75 years, and very delicious and very tastefully, and you must visit with your friends and relatives. This famous 75s is this is non-Italian. It is famous for a functionable, and it is before giving the orders to functions, that will be very famous, that one. And these are the varieties, is the menu of the menu board, and so many varieties is there, and very delicious. I told now that it is using functions, marriage, parties, the type of what is giving for chicken and mutton and very functionable, that one's non giving the advancedly ordered is very specialization on. It is a making for a function, marriage, and is it. We coming from so many cities from booking these orders, particularly in we are South Indian marriages. You are keeping this in non-veg marriages and functions. You must, that will be will be order here. You also visit this bakery and taste is and delicious. So many varieties. This is having this bakery is very small, but having the more varieties and more is there. And we are once a visit, no, you are thinking about what you want to buy, what you want to eat. That vast varieties, a lot of varieties in this. This is told now. This is the specially. It is ordered, is given you, get it this one and functionable. This it is telling India is most. We are watching. Kindly subscribe my channel, HOP Pin Code. This you subscribe and you must, when you come Mysore, visit and eat it. Delicious, and it is a feel happiness when you eat the beautiful and delicious. Mysore City Bus Stand, this one is location. It will be connected to the straight to your destination. This is a KR circle. If you take a straight only, this is connected to the Devaraja Market Road. If you take a straight, don't take any divertation. This is a market, Devaraja's market, and this is a Guru Sweet Mart. This is the famous Guru Sweet Mart. It is specialization in Mysore. This is the market. If you take a straight, here is in the SBI Bank of the landmark, and it is old Chamundeshwari Theatre is there. If you take a straight, then we'll go to this is one of the Bata showroom. You take a straight only. It is in Kaveri Emporium, and this is the one library. And next it is coming. It is a KR Hospital Circle. If you take a straight, don't take any divertation. You take a straight to divert destination. You will be reaching the straight. This is the KR Hospital Circle. KR Hospital, and this Ayurvedic Hospital also circle. This is there, Medical College Circle, and this is connected to the Mission Hospital Road. This road will be, this is the Ayurvedic Hospital. If you take a right, don't take a left. This is the destination to take a right. It is one more is the Venkatesh Bhavan, is just the landmark, the Venkatesh Bhavan Hotel. If you take a straight, this is the Mission Hospital Road. Don't take any divertation, take a straight way. This is Mission Hospital Road, is connected to our destination. The Mission Hospital Road, did you take a straight only? If you connecting, then we'll go to we are reaching the destination. This is the Mission Hospital Road. And you want to next, take a next right will be our destination reaching. Next right will be our destination reaching. This is we are reaching is the next right destination. This road is connected to this right will connected to the Mandi Market Road. This is the right, the Mandi Market Road. Mandi Market Road, we are location. This is Hanumantu Hotel, Hanumantu Palau. Afterwards, we are reached destination. This is Mandi Market. Mandi Market. This bakery name is Azizia Bakery, the most famous bakery. It is here. We reached. This is Azizia Bakery. New Azizia Bakery.